Here are 5 mind-blowing facts about the industry. 1. AI could replace 85 million jobs by 2025. The World Economic Forum predicts that automation and artificial intelligence will displace millions of jobs, but it will also create 97 million new roles, shifting how industries operate. 2. Amazon makes over 14,000 per second. Amazon's revenue is so massive that it generates over 1.2 billion per day, making it one of the richest companies in history. 3. The world's richest 1% own more than half of global wealth. A small group of elite billionaires controls almost 50% of the world's wealth, highlighting extreme economic inequality. 4. The fastest growing industry is e-commerce. Online retail has skyrocketed, with companies like Shein, Shopify, and Amazon seeing exponential growth due to shifting consumer habits. 5. 90% of startups fail. Despite the success stories, nearly 9 out of 10 startups don't make it past their first few years, often due to poor product market fit, lack of funding, or scaling too soon.